Harsha Sharma. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. To spread awareness about the coronavirus pandemic, Union Minister of Science and Technology, or Sciences and Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Harshvardhan launched the Corona Fighters interactive game and 2 videos. The game and videos urge adherents to keep COVID-appropriate behaviors. Expressing his pleasure over the introduction of this uniquely designed game, Dr. Harshvardhan said that the game offers a new and highly creative way of teaching people the right tools and behavior to fight the COVID-19 epidemic. The purpose of this interactive game and videos is to promote simple precautions towards the coronavirus, such as washing hands with soap repeatedly, keeping a safe distance from each other, and wearing masks. Shri Ashwini Kumar Chaubey, Minister for State for Health and Family Welfare, was also present at the launch of these COVID games and videos. Scientists from DST's Autonomous Institute, Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, have come up with a method for safe handling and disposal of respiratory secretions in hospitals. The institute has come up with a canister bag that solidifies infectious secretions of patients, which can save health workers from exposure during handling. These canister bags are lined with super absorbent material containing an effective disinfectant named acrylosarb. When the patient is admitted to the hospital, secretions are sucked into the bottles or canisters using a vacuum line and discarded through the waste fluid disposal system after subjecting to the decontamination process. These canister bags can absorb 500 milliliter of secretions and solidify it immediately. The whole system will be decontaminated within no time because of the presence of the disinfectant. This solidification and immediate disinfection that occurs inside these bags eliminate the risk of secondary infections by avoiding spilling and aerosol formation, and thereby protect healthcare workers and promote safe workplace management. Let's hear more on this from Dr. Manoj Komat and Dr. Manju S. from SCTIMST.
So this bag contains absorbent material. It's called super absorbent. Generally, normal kind of super absorbent, cheap super absorbents are used in diapers and all. But we designed our own super absorbent, which has high capacity to absorb thick solutions like our respiratory secretions. Then the bag is so designed that this the material is distributed on the sides, so that whenever the liquid is getting filled, the secretion is getting filled, it getting solidified, and finally the water system can seal the bag, take it out and dispose. By the time it will be solidified and disinfected with our material. So it could be disposed in normal route as a biomedical waste, not as an infected waste. So that was a success.
So this is acrylosarb canister liner bags. These liner bags are lined with the super absorbent polymer granules of particular size range along with a disinfectant. It is very effective for the safe management of respiratory secretions in hospitals, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic situations. So usually in hospitals what they do is they will collect this fluid respiratory secretions. One of these canister bags mounted on the wall. Once this canister is full, they will take it into the sluice room, decontaminate using some disinfectant and discard it there itself. But it involves a high recontamination risk among healthcare workers because of the aerosol or the possibility of spillage, etc. So we have come up with an idea of using this acrylosarb canister liner bag inside this canister. So we can fit this acrylosarb canister liner bag inside this canister, and these respiratory secretions can be collected directly into these canister bags. Once the respiratory secretions get inside this canister bag, it will be jellified or solidified within no time because of this gel technology. In addition to that, it will decontaminate the whole contagious respiratory secretion within no time because of the presence of disinfectant in it.
The approximate cost will be Rs 100 for each canister liner bag. The field trials of the in-house designed suction canister liner bags are being conducted in SCTI-MST. The know-how of the Acrylosub suction canister liner bags has been transferred to Romson Scientific and Surgical Private Limited for manufacture and immediate marketing. Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, in collaboration with Udaipur-based Workspace Metal Solutions Private Limited, has developed a first-of-its-kind self-check kiosk. The kiosk is a one-stop solution for checking if an individual is running a fever, low blood oxygen levels, and also provide 360-degree disinfection of the belongings through the UVC chamber. The kiosk only takes about 30 seconds to check whether the person is safe to enter the premises or not. The kiosk installed at the IIT Guwahati campus is IoT enabled, and its data analysis system is capable of face identification and creating employer person's health historical data. With the gradual easing of public lockdown measures and return to normal life, it is the need of the hour to ensure safe entry to any premises. The fully automated touchless self-check kiosk has been designed as per the WHO guidelines. It instantly detects and records the syndromes associated with COVID-19 like body temperature and blood oxygen content and raises alarm in case it is beyond the limits. The kiosk features the first-of-its-kind UVC disinfectant box capable of killing viruses and bacteria present on the surfaces of luggage, bags, keys, mobiles, wallets, etc., thereby reducing the risk of spreading. Let's hear more on this from Dr. Senthil Murugan S. from IIT Guwahati.
The idea behind this kiosk is that, we want to do a surveillance and also the control of the virus through a disinfection. So the surveillance, we have introduced three aspects. The first aspect is that we are taking a camera, a picture of the person, measuring the temperature of the person, forehead temperature, and then we are also measuring the SpO2. So the idea here is that all are contactless. So example, the temperature is measured without human touch, and also the SpO2 is measured in a way that it is measured through a finger, where you need to put a finger on a SpO2 sensor, but after measurement it will get disinfected. So we have kept a UVC light, and that will disinfect the where everyone is going to put their finger, so there will be no further transmission through that source. Also we have disinfected.
The cost of a self-check kiosk varies from 3.5 lakh to 7.5 lakh depending on the specification and features. The institute has also installed a self-check kiosk at its campus as well. The team also has filed for a patent and the product has already been commercialized. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.